Hey, how's it going, all? Come to the dark side. We have cookies. No, come to the light. We have cookies too. But they have raisins. How the fuck are you, a bunch of sweaty, smelly womp rats? Galactic criminal here. Gonna check out something cool with my buddy Pat here. Say hi, Pat.
Hello.
It was bad. Been a big fan of bad lip reading for a while. Haven't done a reaction yet and haven't seen the Star Wars one yet. Why the fuck not? Oh no. We're gonna check it out with the 1, 2.
Penny for your thoughts.
I hate Brenda, and a bad guy hit me in the shin, and I peed all in my pants.
Listen to the music, can't help. Rockin' and rollin'.
Music can't help.
But the seagulls poking my head, not fun. I said, seagulls, stop it now.
Always doing like a little jig.
Yeah, Yoda's breaking it down.
Everyone told me not to stroll on that beach. Said seagulls gonna come, poke me in the coconut, and they did. And they did. Had me going like, nothing I could do but yeah. When these birds attacked me, when I tried to run, I fell, and then these kids started laughing, and then got hit in the neck with a hacky sack. Where did it come from? I run.
He's at the most rad beach.
I can be a backpack.
Hacky sacking, surfing, it's
Put me
killing
down.
it.
I love to groove and boogie. Yeah.
Great.
Show you some dance moves.
No, I don't want you to.
If I had your giant feet out there on the beach, could have outrun those birds.
You're a psycho wiener.
Let me grab your
Stop it, please. Don't hit me. Please. Don't hit me.
Come on, man, quit that banging.
Hey, what's that stank?
You put a fish in our basket.
Oh, yeah. I forgot I did that.
You owe me an apology.
Just hold your breath and see when the time is right. Birds will back your face. Now run. I can be your backpack while you run. Swing from a hairy vine. I can be your backpack while you climb. Stand on one hand and lift. Rocks with your special gift. Run, jump, now breathe. That's good. Like that. Like that. One day I was walking and I found this big log. Then I rolled the log over and underneath was a tiny little stick. And I was like, that log had a child. Someday, when you are older, you could get hit by a boulder. While you're lying there screaming, come help me, please. The seagulls poke your knees.
Who would have thought this whole video was a music video?
Yeah.
Stop it now.
They normally don't do that.
Yeah, whatever, you're sort of pitchy.
Didn't like it?
Listen, man, I'm not your friend.
Don't fall asleep. Fall asleep. Stop it now.
Okay, that's just their end credit
Oh,
thing.
God.
Wow. What do you even say about that? Don't stop, use your feet. Move on over to that Yoda beat. Well, like we were just kind of saying, who the fuck knew this was gonna be a musical? And a good one.
Yep, not bad. Not bad at all. Yoda is far more creepy than I remember.
Yeah. Completely out of context, and what they say is usually like their forte is making fucking shit sound weird,
Yeah.
but
I can't get over the fact that Yoda is super creepy. Like, being a pretty big Star Wars fan, I have to say, it's been a long time since I've seen, like,
old
the
school
original-
puppet Yoda.
Yeah, the
It's just
original
you know
Yoda.
how totally creepy he is.
Yeah.
Don't go to sleep. It was a catchy tune, but it wasn't exactly what I was. It wasn't what I was hoping for.
Yeah.
It was definitely something that I enjoyed. I was hoping for a lot more clips from different parts of Star Wars, and because there's so much gold that could be had there. But this was definitely something worth checking out.
Yeah.
Well, hey, if you haven't seen this, what did you think of it?
Drinking the beer.
You fucker.
Drinking Viking beers, Pete.
Well, if you haven't seen this, what did you think of it? Let me know in the comments below. Of course, I will put a link in the description for this video so you can go ahead and watch it for yourself with screenful audio and get the full experience. And as always, have yourself a fantastic evening.